This is Sweet Mama the goat and her two children, Ace and Ivy. They live here at Piedmont Farm Animal Refuge. By rights, they shouldn't be here at all. In fact, they wouldn't even be alive if Sweet Mama hadn't escaped on her way to be slaughtered. Now she and her family have a home for life.
In dairy, as the animal ages and their milk production goes down, they at some point become less valuable to the farmer and they're sold to be slaughtered. Sweet Mama was sent to an auction and escaped of her own volition and ended up having two babies, Ace and Ivy, at another farm where she ended up.
Founder and shelter manager Lenore Brayford's compassion for the goat's physical and emotional health seems contagious. Every detail of the animal's care seems equally important.
Here I'm preparing a bowl of food for Sweet Mama, the goat. And she has a special medication that she has on top of it. She has a disease that causes arthritis in her legs. And so we give her multiple medications to relieve the pain for that. Crackers are the best way to get the medication into the goats. In dairy, they remove babies from the mom so that the babies are not eating the milk because it's being used for people. And so it's emotionally traumatic for the females to go through this process of being impregnated each year and having babies removed from them. So this is a really wonderful thing for Sweet Mama to be able to be with her kids for the first time, and they're going to be able to stay together for the remainder of their lives as a family. And they're very, very bonded. They never go anywhere without one another, and you'll see them, sleeping on each other and being affectionate with each other. So they really are a very tight-knit family. When she first came here, she would not let us get near her babies, and she would not let them get near us. But over time, she began to trust us a little bit and I guess feel like she was in a safe place. And now you can see, they're all very relaxed and very friendly. And they do respond differently to different people. Sweet Mama and I have a pretty close relationship. When new volunteers come, she might be a little bit more wary to meet them or to be around them because she's a little bit cautious and suspicious around humans, which is understandable. I would say my biggest goal for the organization is to have it go on and exist without me in the future. I will eventually be able to step away and it will keep existing and keep helping farm animals.
Piedmont Farm Animal Refuge is a nonprofit organization that provides lifelong sanctuary to farm animals in need.